Hello guys, it's your boy Chris, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to claim your Pixelverse token. So as we all know, Pixelverse has officially launched yesterday, which was 18th of July by 12 p.m. on major exchanges, and it is really doing amazing currently. If you check out the chart on Bybit, you get to see that it has been skyrocketing since it launched, and now they have made it available for people to claim their own airdrops, and I'll be showing you how you can do that in this video. Also, one thing you need to know before you claim your coin is that the level that you are is very important to you getting your tokens. Just as you can see, they say level and dashboard. Just a reminder, your account level is the most important thing, which is like the coins you have. You should pay attention to this section. So if you are between level 1 to around level 3, you might not really get that much, you understand? But people above level 4 and above, I believe they should be able to get something tangible from this airdrop. So as you can see, I'm currently in level 1. I didn't really do this airdrop. I said it on my previous video. I'm just going to walk you through the step that if you are eligible, you should be able to withdraw yours. I'll show you how to do that. So right now, if you come into your Pixelverse bot, you'll get to see that a new tab has been shown up here which says PIXFI is here, get your token. Then you just click on this point that says claim. So when you come over to this page, you get to see what they are saying here. They say they are giving me an NFT avatar, and based on my activity inside Pixeltap, you were chosen as an early adopter and received special rewards. So if you get to see it right here, and it shows the time frame in which I can claim this special reward. So what do? I click on next, and it shows that your claim reward is 0. Most times it will get to show you 0. What you just need to do is to just always come and be clicking next, so it might refresh. This is due to a lot of people trying to claim their rewards on this particular airdrop. So as you can see, mine is currently showing 0. Probably I might not be getting anything, but for you, even if you are seeing 0 and you know that you are above level 4 and you have done something tangible on this airdrop, what you just have to do is to check back after some time, because they're currently having some server downtime. So if you get to see anything, then you just follow this process to be able to withdraw it. So as you can see, I'm using a screenshot of somebody's own that the person was able to get about 690 PIXFI. So all you just have to do is to wait for the time that is counting. Once that time is done counting, then you just have to come back and just click to the next point, which is going to bring you over to this point which says enter your wallet address. So now when it comes to this wallet address, the wallet address you should be entering is not just your normal exchange wallet, such as your normal Bybit, BitGet exchange wallet. Not that one. Now you need to be entering what is known as a Web3 wallet address. So if you look at it right here where they give the option, they say you can only enter non-custodial wallet address. All other exchange wallet address are custodial and are not supported. So when they mean non-custodial, they are talking about something like the wallet you get from something like your MetaMask wallet. So you can also get that kind of wallet address on Bybit if you already have a Bybit account, and I'm going to show you how you can get that on Bybit. So what you just have to do is just to go over to your Bybit account. So once you're in your Bybit account, if you look above here, you see the one that is called exchange and you see the one called Web3. So just click on Web3. This is the type of wallet they need from you. The moment you first of all click it, they will tell you to create your wallet address. So follow the process, create your wallet address, and also keep your seed phrase somewhere safe in case of next time. So once you have all of that set up, what you just have to do to copy your wallet address is to come to this point that says wallet, the last point. Then as you can see, click on the first one that says deposit, because that is the right address you need to copy. Just click on deposit and then you search for Ethereum, because that is the blockchain that the Pixelverse is operating on. Then click on ETH like this. Then what do? Just copy your address and then you go back to your Pixelverse and then you paste your wallet address just down below here. Yours should be empty. Just paste it and click on yes, I have entered non-custodial wallet, and then click on claimed, and you are good to go. So now one thing you should know about the Pixelverse is that they'll be giving you 10% of your total coin. So when you do your maths, you'll be able to know the amount you'll be getting. So ensure you follow the process, and when they distribute yours to you, then you'll get to see what you got from all the effort you have put in into this Pixelverse project. So that is it on how to actually claim your Pixelverse tokens. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you subscribe to the channel for more updates just like this. See you on the next one.